Hey, what's up everybody? This is Angelo. This is my shop. Over here we have the X22B FT747GX Heathkit Keyer SWR meter for the Yaesu. We have a Drake R4C T4XC receiver and transmitter. Little Radio Shack 2-meter radio, MacBook Pro, of course. Incoming invoice computer, regular statistical computer, whatever you want to call it. Power supply, varying power supply, multimeter, function generator, scope, low power, power supply for your milliamp type stuff. Parts, of course. Up top there is a CB servicer, CB signal generator by BK Precision. Just about everything I have in here is BK Precision and Instec, if I'm saying it correctly. And that critter back there is the CB1040 Service Master. Old stuff. Works like a charm. WES51, ESD safe. Electronic static discharge. So what I'm working on here is a Sanyo. This is, if I'm not mistaken, it's a recorder. It's a cassette AM/FM recorder, and I've already came up with a solution on this with this problem. It was bad soldering on the radio and tape button. So we're gonna fix it up, hit it with some solder, and get her cooking. So this is it, disassembled, and I'll be right back with you with the finished product. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Ciao.